Friends, I have a very special home listing tour for you today. We are in the heart of Fountain, in the communal neighborhood of Wild Oak Farms. And pictured over here is an impressive 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage home on over 3,000 square feet of living space. Might I present to you 720 Rye Ridge Road. I absolutely love this area of Fountain. We are centrally located with easy access to open spaces, regional parks, walking trails, schools, and the downtown Fountain scene less than a mile away. Just to the west of us, you can find Highway 85 and I-25, giving you the ability to traverse around the city with ease. The exterior of this home has been meticulously maintained, offering a low-maintenance xeriscape front and backyard. The owner has added a concrete walking path that leads to a very private backyard that flourishes with foliage in the right season, large concrete patio, and expansive deck with gorgeous city views. The stucco siding, paired with the double-pane vinyl windows, adds another level of character to this already gorgeous home. To top things off, the front of the house features a large, covered front porch, making this the perfect spot to watch those gorgeous Colorado sunsets. As much as I would like to keep you guys on the exterior, I think we ought to venture on inside to see what else Rye Ridge has in store. Let's go take a closer look. Step inside and be taken back by this thoughtfully designed floor plan that opens up to a spacious foyer with tons of natural light. Quality and durable LVP flooring runs throughout the main level, with tile present in the kitchen and formal dining room. Every inch of this house has been professionally repainted, adding to the elegance of this rich color palette. Corian counters, oak cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances grace the kitchen. All appliances seen do stay with the property. As we make our way to the living room, you'll notice the same LVP flooring found in the entryway, walkout access to your expansive deck, and those gorgeous city views. Gas fireplace, and cutouts for an entertainment system and decor. A powder room will be found on this level and leads to your main level laundry room. As we follow the wrought iron railing upstairs, all 4 bedrooms await your arrival. The 3 bedrooms have all been generously designed, able to accommodate a queen-size bed with ease. We have a very generously sized 15 by 13 master suite. The master includes a large walk-in closet, ensuite 5-piece master bath, and beautiful peak views. There is an additional full bath on this level, boasting corian counters, a feature found consistently throughout the home. Although unfinished, the opportunities for this walkout basement are vast. Rough-ins for plumbing are present to add an additional bath, and given the large 975 square foot frame, there is more than enough space to add an additional bedroom. Sliding glass doors will lead you to the large concrete patio in the backyard. For more information on my team and some of our other amazing listings, visit our website, www.makesmewshome.com. For a private tour of this gorgeous 2-story house, reach out to myself, 719-358-3021. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next one.